Hello everybody, welcome to another helpful video from Phoenix Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. Today we're going to show you how to wire your own hot tub.
All right, folks, first things first, let's go over the tools that are needed to do this project. All right, first off, we need a drill or an impact wrench. Secondly, a good bit set. On a master spa, to remove the panels, you need a #1 Robertson head bit, that is the square. On other spas, it might be different, but just make sure you have a good bit set. Third, we need a set of electrician's pliers. These are great not only for stripping back that whip, you should be using 6 gauge wire, but also for bending those wires once they're actually inside that spa pack. Lastly, a screwdriver. You could just do a regular Phillips and a flathead. I like these 10-in-1s because they keep everything in there so you can rotate out, okay? Now, let's disconnect the power. Let's make sure that's off. That's the first thing, and let's get into it. Make sure power is off at the disconnect box. All right, power is off. We have ran our whip into the spa. So now we're gonna take these wires and join them with the spa pack. I like to run them behind the studs. This whip is a little bit old. We use this for a demo, so forgive me for its condition. But this is pretty easy, guys. As you can see, the pack here is marked white, red, black, right? That makes this very, very simple. We have white, red, black. And then we have a green wire. This is our ground, okay? This is going to go into this bus bar on the side here. That's what this piece is called. It's a bus bar. So you can leave the green out and go here, or you can run it into the spa pack and down. It depends what kind of pack you have. Ours doesn't have the cutout, so we're gonna leave it on the outside. Okay, so we're gonna run in these 3 wires first, white up to the top. We'll grab our good old screwdriver. You probably don't want to use a drill on these. Okay, and then next we're going to go red into the red spot. All right, guys, I've got red in there, so we're going to tighten that guy up. Next, we're going to go black right into the bottom. We're going to tighten that one up. All right, and then last but not least, we're going to put our flathead bit on, and then we're going to wire in our ground wire into this bus bar that we talked about earlier. Right in there. All right, perfect. So now, guys, we can do a test. We can flip our breaker on and we can check the keypad and make sure everything's working. All right, guys, as you can see, our spa has power. It is initializing. It'll go into priming mode and start up. So now we're just going to put the panel back on and the door for the spa pack. So that guy is. And then take your Phillips head bit. And pop that guy back in there. And then for our panel, we have another video that shows you how to put these panels on and off easily. And in that video, someone referenced Brian as having big gorilla arms. So I'm going to let him show you how to do that.
All right, Tyler, thank you for doing the hard work, just like I like to have you do in the rest of the avenues of my life. We're going to go ahead and get this panel on gorilla style. You can always loosen the corner trims. That's a #1 size Robinson's bit typically. We just line them up there on one edge behind the trim. You get here, put a hand behind, bend it into place like we do. Get your hand out safely. Make sure your clips aren't in there. We're going to pull the panel up. From there, I can come in with the #1 size Robinson's bit, which he already has prepared for me. We're going to slap on just 2 screws for now so you can get the gist of it. Obviously, you're going to have another few rows where you want to finish installing the rest of your factory screws. That's how you button up your hot tub after getting it wired. That's another video here at Phoenix Hot Tubs. Please do us a favor, like us, subscribe, ask for more content, comment on there what you want to see next. We'll be doing a ton more of these. Give us a call at 480-389-9799. Tyler and I are always happy to help.